Cecile, the trailblazing queen of dancehall empowerment. Cecile Claudine Charlton, known simply as Cecile, is a celebrated Jamaican dancehall artist whose bold lyrics, powerful voice, and strong advocacy for female empowerment have made her a standout figure in the genre. Born on February 24, 1976, in Manchester, Jamaica, she grew up in St. Catherine, where she developed a passion for music early on. Over the years, Cecile has evolved into one of the most influential female artists in dancehall, known for breaking barriers and challenging traditional gender roles within the industry. Early career. Cecile started her career in the music industry, working behind the scenes as a studio engineer. Her early exposure to the technical aspects of music production gave her valuable insight and laid the foundation for her future success. She began as a background singer for artists like Wayne Marshall and Michael Ebo Cooper of Third World, where she was able to showcase her vocal talent and learn the inner workings of the dancehall and reggae scenes. Cecile's first taste of solo success came in 2000 with the release of her breakout single, Changes. The song addressed societal and gender norms in the dancehall space, offering a fresh perspective that quickly resonated with listeners. However, her major breakthrough came in 2003 when she collaborated with Sean Paul on the track Can You Do the Work, which was featured on his Grammy-winning album Dirty Rock. This collaboration introduced Cecile to a global audience and solidified her position as a major player in dancehall. Rise to fame and international success. Cecile is known for her assertive and confident persona, which she often expresses through her music. Her songs like Goody, Hot Like We, and Give It To Me established her as a voice for female empowerment, with lyrics that challenged male-dominated norms in dancehall and celebrated women's independence. Her music combines dancehall rhythms with elements of reggae, R&B, and hip-hop, giving her broad international appeal. Her album Bad Gil, 2008, marked a pivotal moment in her career, garnering attention in Europe, Japan, and the U.S. It was during this period that Cecile signed with Kingstone Records in Germany, expanding her reach even further. She released the follow-up album Still Running, 2011, which helped solidify her status as one of the most successful female dancehall artists globally. Personal life and influence. Cecile is also known for her role as a mother, having a daughter in 2012 with fellow dancehall artist Christopher Martin. Her experience as a mother has added depth to her music, infusing it with themes of love, responsibility, and maturity. Despite her public career, she keeps much of her personal life private, focusing more on her artistry and advocacy for women in the music industry. Legacy and net worth. Cecile's influence on dancehall cannot be overstated. She paved the way for other female artists by asserting her independence and refusing to conform to the genre's traditional roles for women. As of 2024, her estimated net worth is around $1.5 million, derived from music sales, tours, and international collaborations. Cecile remains an enduring icon in dancehall, known for her fearless attitude and dedication to challenging the status quo, making her one of the most respected and influential figures in the genre.